Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do.
Hey everybody, thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, my name is Danielle. This is my channel with my husband. We have 2 kids, and in this video we got a really cool Jeep as a gift, and we want to try and put it together and see how long it's going to take. It's just a like fast forward kind of clip, but it took us a long time to make this, and we just wanted to record it so that we could have the memory. But yeah, go ahead and watch it, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Jalen, what did you get? Ugh. We can't get it out. You have to like lift it up.
It's almost out. Keep going.
Whoa, JJ, those tires are humongous. My gosh. You got a monster truck. It's just a Jeep for these kids. All right. Something keeps getting stuck. I think it's just heavy. Go get it. Look at him, he loves it. Oh, good helper. Jalen, what is this?
It's a car.
It's a car that Daddy's going to attempt to put together. This was a gift from our pastor through World Vision. How cool. What a blessing. Thank you for thinking of our kids. Wow, they always think of us. Look at these seats, you guys. Jalen, wait, oh yeah. Oh, they're stuck. That's some good tape. Oh, look it, come sit down. Or we'll put it right there. Sit down. Look at it, babe. Cute. Baby, read the directions, please. This is way too crazy to try to mess up. You guys, this thing is heavy. This is serious. This is a car. It even says, let me show you, Real FM radio. Isn't that insane? And it also says realistic dashboard. So a lot of the time right now, because of COVID, World Vision, well, Costco and other big companies will donate returned items because of COVID right now. So they're returning or donating a lot more things than they would normally just because of COVID. So Joelle's church has been a part of it for a long time, and we were even gifted this couch, and there's nothing wrong with it. And this couch is beautiful. Like, so we've been very blessed through the church because of World Vision and them getting stuff. So it's pretty awesome. What is that?
Battery.
The battery? That's like half of a car battery.
It's really heavy.
Like an actual car.
Show Mom.
It says that this is gonna take 90 minutes for assembly. Whoa. When they recommend a screwdriver, but you bring out the big guns. He's not even ready yet. They were just putting together a Jeep that is taking forever. Unfortunately, it is missing some parts, so that's always a factor when getting things from donations. But it still has the battery and all the major parts that it needs to actually function. So we're still in the clear. Are you singing? Joelle is struggling with the like steering wheel bar thing. out the door. Whoa, that is so cool. Whoa, Jordan, hi, look at you guys. There's little Velcro seat belts. Whoa, you guys look cool. If the weather clears up later, we can go out there and try to drive it. Oh my gosh, you guys are so cute. You're crazy. Here you go, sir. I like your car. He's got his toys in there. Oh boy, you took that off, huh? Oh my. So, we wanted to just quickly mention with my lovely husband here that we've had a lot of people ask us if there was a way to contribute or like donate money to us so that we can purchase equipment for our channel and make our videos better. So we have a Cash App. We also included, if you click the link below, it'll show you our YouTube, our YouTube wish list on Amazon. And so if you'd like to donate, we would be super grateful, and it'll just help us make our channel better so we can give you guys better quality videos, especially when we go to Puerto Rico, because we got our tickets booked and we're going in November of this year. So, and we want to film that too. But if you guys would like to donate, thank you so much. If not, welcome to our page. If you've been here and you've been watching us grow, thank you so much. We're not going anywhere. So stick around and take a seat. What?
Stick around.
So this is what we're missing for the Jeep. We just have to get this like trunk part. And I think it comes with another one of these. So we have to find it online. We thought we found the part, but we realized it was this bottom part. So we have to re-look. And hopefully we can find it, but it'll be totally worth it because this is totally drivable. This is the battery. It is 12 volts. It's really heavy. So we need something to protect it, and I would like to get it because it will be totally worth it considering that we got this as a free donation. So I'm excited. Well, as you saw, the Jeep is done. It looks really cool. We're gonna try to find those parts online to see if we can replace them. It will be totally worth it because this thing is awesome, and it goes a lot faster than it says. It says slow speed is 2.5 miles and fast is 5, and you just have to take out the screw and then he can move it into the fast gear. Not happening because I pushed it and I was like, whoa, it jolted me forward. But it is sunny right now, but he's taking a nap, so I'm really hoping that he will wake up soon so we can go outside and let him ride it. It's Mama's? Yeah. You want me to sit with you?
It's Mama's.
Yeah, it's Mama's seat. I wish I could, buddy. It's for you and Joy. Well, thank you guys so much for watching our video. I hope you got a few laughs and enjoyed my child trying to help us build his Jeep. And don't forget to subscribe, like, because others will see it when you like it. And it shows a lot of you guys are not subscribed. Viewers are not subscribed. So please subscribe, and we look forward to seeing you guys again. Thanks.